Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am so excited because this is going to finally be my apartment tour. And wow, can I say that this has been in the making for so long. I'm really excited for you guys to see finally my apartment. I moved into this place January of 2019. So it just hit a year that me, Paul, and Moo are living in this place, and we actually just re-signed, so we'll be in it until the following January 2021, which is really weird to say. But for those of you who don't know, I live in Charlotte, North Carolina now, and I did live in Long Island. I moved here, like I just said, last January, so it's been a year. And we live in a one-bedroom apartment. I am unsure about the square footage, so I will have it right here. And we live in the south end of Charlotte, which is a really great area. If you're a young professional, or even just young and you're looking for somewhere cool to live that's not really uptown Charlotte, that's not really too suburban, lifestyle-ish for you, I think South End is a great option for anybody who's young and still works, or works from home, or really anything, because there's a lot of like WeWorks around here, and just like co-working spaces, I think that's what they're called, where you work from home but you want to go somewhere. I don't know, but overall I really like where me and Paul live. It just sets us up for a really good foundation to make friends. We're around a lot of other young people. There's tons going on the weekends as well as throughout the week. And we both live relatively, well, I live really close to where I work. Paul has to drive about 20 minutes, but that's really not too bad. As a little background, if you are looking to move to Charlotte, there's so many apartment complexes now that have been going up and that are being built, and they're very nice and really like spiffed out to the max. So I will say, just do your research when you're looking to move in this area, especially in the South End, because there are so many complexes and they all offer so many different things, so many different amenities. So you really have to pick and choose what you want, what's most important, because rent is definitely going up in the area. It was really cheap when me and Paul moved in, and luckily we have kind of like a locked in rate. I think it went up by like $2 or $3, and we still pay relatively low. We have a one bedroom, like I said, and we're on the top floor, which our apartment complex is a little bit different. We don't live in like a high-rise building. We live in more of like a, I wouldn't call them townhomes, but there's like 3 floors and it's an outdoor setting. It's not really like where you go in and you go up an elevator and you're at your floor. There are a bunch of different buildings, and this complex is extremely long. So I really like that layout. I hated the high-rise complexes. I didn't want to have to park in a garage and then go into an elevator, especially with a psycho dog like I have. It just wouldn't fly. So really happy with our complex. Not happy with the management, happy with the complex. So that's all that really matters, right? There's a lot of complexes that are being built, some that are already built that are totally insane, and I wish that we lived in them. But like I said, really pick and choose what's most important to you, because there's gonna be so many options out there that you're gonna get overwhelmed. I'm just forewarning you. I think I've rambled enough. Yeah, I definitely have. So let's just hop into the apartment tour. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. There's our outdoor door, like our main door, and then we just have this little walk-in area, which I like. I kind of wish we had a foyer, I think they're called. I'm actually not sure. Right when you walk in, you have our shoe rack. I love this shoe rack. You'll kind of notice that this light gray wood is a focal point in my apartment because I just love it. So we have the shoe rack right there with all of our shoes. And when I get home from work, I just put my bag on there and all of like our backpacks and stuff, because it just kind of keeps it out of the way. And then moving up here I am, a mirror. This is from Hobby Lobby. We'll say where I got everything, but I'm not sure I'm gonna link everything because I just don't think everything's still available. So that's from Hobby Lobby. And then just turning over here, I hate this corner, but you have to have one, right? So it has all my cleaning supplies, Paul's golf clubs, and then just our garbage pails. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first walk in. So you walk straight into the kitchen area, which you guys can see right here. But then just kind of looking out, you have the dining room area, which I don't have a dining room table. We're not gonna get one, but that's the area. And then just the living room, and then Paul's desk. So we have a super open floor plan, which I really like. I love how open and wide the apartment is, because there's a few apartments in this complex that are really like long and narrow, and I hate that. So I really like the layout of this apartment. It's super spacious, super long, just gives us enough room to kind of lay everything out, so I can be like in the kitchen and just talk to people when I have them over. We're sitting on the couch, I can cook and watch TV. So those are like some of my favorite things about this main living area. So right adjacent to the door, we have a little coat closet here, which I'm not the proudest of because it's very messy, but I will show you guys. So one main complaint I do have about this apartment is that there isn't that many storage closets, because we have like a lot of stuff and I need more storage. As you guys can see, we just have all of our coats lined, and then down there we just have a bunch of shoes, and I keep my vacuum down there and everything like that. And then up here we kind of have like my scarves and stuff, a backpack for Moo when we travel, and then just like a blow-up bed. And then the top shelf is just super nice as well, just to kind of like organize and kind of hide things that I just don't want out. So right next to the coat closet is Paul's desk area, which he keeps this very hidden behind that little half wall, so I like that. But it just has a little monitor, and it's just kind of his area. He said he wants to make it like a guy corner and put like a dartboard up and stuff, but that probably will not happen. So that's just his little area where he plays games and stuff. And just kind of like swooping this way, you guys can see there is the living room area, which I love. So this is where I spend a good chunk of my time, because I watch tons of TV and YouTube. So I spend a lot of time on this couch here, and I just love it. So pretty much the couch is from IKEA, and it's really big and long, and it's really nice and different because our last couch was such trash. So it's just a white couch, and I really like it because it just kind of fits me and Paul really, really, really comfortably. So that's always a plus. And scrolling down, I feel like I'm on a computer. This is our coffee table, and it is from IKEA as well. I don't like to keep a lot of things on the coffee table because we eat dinner there like every single night. So I try and keep it very, very minimal. But Moo's toys are also always out because he's always playing. Don't think I mentioned, but my rug is also from Target, and it's very messy just because of Moo. But our apartment comes with these two big windows right in the living room area, which are nice. And then coming over here, we have another coaster. I actually just ordered this little table for Moo so we can jump across and look out the window. Moving up here, I really like this shelf and how I have everything laid out on it. So that little buffalo picture is from Hobby Lobby. That really pretty piece of art is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I actually don't remember, but I recently picked it up, so you probably can pick it up still if you live near a TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And it's super nice. I love it. I love the type of wood border it has. It's coming up a lot more orange brown wood on camera, but I can promise you that it looks more like this wood that also matches this little puppy right here. Shelf is from IKEA as well, and then I just have a candle from probably Marshall's, and then just some pine cones in there because it's winter time. Moving on to the pillows. I have this little sequin pillow right here that has Moo on it. Paul got this for me for Christmas, and it's really funny, and you can like move the sequins. So he said I would never put anything like this out unless it had Moo on it, which is true. The fur pillow behind it is from Home Goods, but it is like pretty sure Rachel's Zoe Home or something like that. And then over here, we just have two more pillows. Those are from IKEA. Really, really, really pretty, like linen. I really like these. And then over here, I just have one of those pillows again. And this big blanket, which is from Home Goods. Me and Paul bought this, and we didn't realize that it was a king size. So I actually hate the size of it because I can't fit it anywhere. And it looks so weird on the couch, but I just had to leave it out because we literally use it every single night. Okay, moving over to this area of the living room, we just have our TV stand, which this is from Walmart actually, and it has that same light gray wood that I love. If you guys haven't noticed, I freaking love that wood. And that's from Walmart, and it's actually really, really, really good quality, and I love it so much. I probably will keep it for a very long time until I find something that's probably a little bit higher quality, but looks exactly the same. So, have that there. Below, we just have some books and some games, as well as some plants and just some more books over there. Above the TV, we have this little yarn hanging, which I made in college. Paul likes to say this is when I popped off as an interior designer because I literally made something, but I really like the way that it came out, and I brought it here from home just to hang up just to be proud. You know, it's just a proud moment for me. I really like this area just because I'm really proud of the design aspects that I have here. So I'm gonna go into detail and put you guys back on the tripod. The table is from Wayfair and I love it. Super cute. Moose bowls below, which I don't think you can see, but I'll do a close-up of, are from TJ Maxx. This wood holder thingy is from Pier 1, as well as this white vase. And then that plant over there is from Target, and then there's just a little candle there. I love these picture frames that we have up here. They're just black and white photos of mine and Paul's family, me and Paul, and us and our friends. So I really like this. It's just a really nice touch of home that really kind of makes me feel better when I look at, because I know that my family and my friends are all just sitting right there looking at me. Moving over here is just another picture that I love. It's kind of like my idol, just a girl chilling in her bathing suit, reading the paper, living her best life. That's me. I hope that's me in my future. Oh, let's hope, you guys. This is what our porch looks like. I'll bring you guys out on it really quick. Just looks like this. It's very messy, and this is a work in progress, but that is the view. There's nothing really there, but again, we live right on the light rail. So looks like that. And right back there is Uptown, so. Yeah. Okay, so this is our kitchen. And then we just have this really big, long kitchen, which I really like. The island is amazing. It's huge. And it honestly is just so perfect. So I'm really glad that we have such a big island. I'm not really gonna go too in depth about the kitchen because, I mean, we didn't really pay for it. It just kind of came this way. So just a lot of cabinet space. As you guys can see, there's like tons of cabinet space and they're pretty much all filled. So that's kind of in a way embarrassing, but you guys can see there's tons. Our fridge is right here and it just holds all our food. Over here, I keep the alcohol. I just like having this out and I love this sign. It says, sorry, I can't adult today. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. Very relatable, a mood. Just keep all that there. Coffee pot, and then just some plants in the back. I really like that aspect of the kitchen. Just feels like it adds a more homey feel to it. Burning out, you can see it's just a huge open floor plan, which I really like about this apartment. So yeah, it's just a win-win for me. All right, so now we're in my bedroom, me and Paul's bedroom. So starting off, Moo is always sitting right by the door of the bedroom. He just loves this one little floor part. But coming into the bedroom, I love my bedroom, you guys. I feel like it is just perfect. It's the perfect aesthetic. It's everything perfect for me. This guy is usually not here. He's kind of nasty, and this is Moo's toy, so we'll throw him over there. But I will start showing you guys where everything is from in the bedroom. So I'm gonna start off with my least favorite part of the bedroom, which is these cubbies. I freaking hate them. They are from Target, and I really like that they're over here because you can't really see them when you walk into the bedroom. But they just hold pretty much all of Paul's shorts and anything that is not a shirt. So we have that for him. Over here we just have a little piece of art again, some perfume. And then coming over here, we just have some fake flowers and things of that sort, and a little note that Paul wrote me. Above it, we just have this little cork board situation. It's not really cork, it's kind of like a linen material, but I really like it and it holds all my jewelry. It just has a really cute picture of Charleston on it because I love Charleston, and I just love that. And that is from World Market. Got our mirror, and I love this mirror, you guys, because it is so cute and so perfect, and it was so cheap. So this is actually from Walmart. Hello, how are ya? And I spray painted it gray to match the just total theme of our apartment. So spray painted that puppy and it came out really great. And then right next to it, I have my ring light and just some shoes. Hey. And then in our bedroom, we have two really big windows as well. So that's just a nice little touch. Okay, so my desk is from Walmart. It's a dark wood. The chair is from IKEA. Just the stuff underneath it, mainly those frames, are also from TJ Maxx. I keep my makeup and everything in those little cubbies there, and then it just has my MacBook and all my makeup stuff on top. So really nothing special about this desk. I literally only use it to edit and do my makeup. So swinging this way, we have a really pretty plant, which is from IKEA. It's real and it's lasted forever. I keep trimming it up because it grows so fast. And then over here are all my cords, which is so ugly. I will say it's so ugly, but I don't know how to fix it because there's no outlets behind my bed. So these two nightstands, they're just basic tables. My mom gave them to me. I've been using them since I was at Fredonia in college. So they came all the way to Charlotte with me, and they do such a great job and fit my aesthetic perfectly of this like light woodish color. So I just put on some placemats on top just to add a little something to them. And then the lamps that we have are from Target, and then just like a random plant. Our bed came from a box from Walmart. It's like one of those situations where you take it out and it expands. So that's where our bed is from. Our duvet cover, which is this white one, is from IKEA, and I actually put our pink comforter in it. The duvet cover is oh so sheer enough to show the pink popping through, so I absolutely love that. And then behind it we just have this Call Your Mother pillow, which is from, pretty sure, Pottery Barn. This big body pillow that I love so much, you guys, is from Target, and it was super cheap, very affordable. Then I just have some pink pillows behind it, and then just some beige pillows that match our bedding perfectly, and that is from IKEA. The main focal point of our bedroom is this beautiful piece above our bed, which is from World Market. I love this. I searched high and low for something like this, and it's just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So that is just a huge part of our bedroom, and I feel like it ties in the entire like vibe, you know? Behind the door, I just house all of our hats. I hate the way they look, so I keep them behind the door. And then this closet right here just has our washer and dryer in it. I love it because it's in-unit washer dryer, and that is a huge, huge plus. Then moving this way is our bathroom. I'm just gonna give you a warning, the lighting is gonna change significantly because our lighting is so yellow in here. But this is the bathroom. It just has this really big mirror in it, and that oh baby sign is from college, so I just hung it up there because I just love it. And then on top, we just have a bunch of essentials. Obviously, that acrylic tray is from Target. Put my jewelry on there, and then just other essentials. You know the deal, you guys. So that is that. I really like this bathroom though because it has so much storage. I mean, it has like an overhead little storage area that we keep tons of stuff in, and then below is just our toilet, and then it just has some more storage right there, as you guys can see. So that rug right there is from IKEA. This shower mat is from, I think, like Ollie's Bargain Outlet, I'm pretty sure. And then we just have a white shower curtain from Walmart that's on the shower. I don't know how to film this because it's so small, but I'm gonna stand over here probably and just show you guys the entire closet. So when we first moved in, I love this closet, but now that we have everything shoved in it, I hate it because I think it's so unbelievably tiny. So yeah. Up there, we just have some miscellaneous boxes, random clothes, just things that don't have a place. But it does have some storage on top where I house just my bags and all my summer shoes and things of that sort. And then keep turning is just a bunch of shelving units, shelving shelves, I guess, with all of like my gym clothes and my bras and things of that sort in them. And then up there, just all Paul's shorts that he never folds. So that's that area. I hang up a lot of bags over here on the wall because I don't have any other room to put them. And then just our laundry, which is disgusting. Let's move on. Didn't mention, but these bins that we have in here and also in the cubbies in the bedroom are from Amazon. They come in a pack of 6, and they're just really, really, really great quality and really affordable. So that is the closet. I hate it, so let's totally leave. And goodbye. That's why I love these doors, because I can just hide the closet. Nobody ever sees it. Okay, so there you guys have it. That was our entire apartment tour. I feel like I talked so fast, yet it took so long to film. So I really am happy with how it turned out. I'm really happy with how the apartment turned out as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing where I picked up everything from and just the entire layout and just what a basic Charlotte apartment looks like. So if you guys did enjoy this video, I really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, because I'd love to have you stick around. If you live in the Charlotte area or you're looking to move to it, I would love to answer any type of questions that you may have. I feel like being here for a year now, I kind of know a little bit of the ins and outs of the area and just like where you should live if you enjoy certain things. I mean, there's so many different areas. Like I said, we live in the South End, but there's Plaza Midwood, there's Noda, a lot of really cool areas for young people. So that's a really great aspect of Charlotte, in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.